So I made a lot of videos on Bitcoin, and this time I was talking about Bitcoin spot ETFs. If those go big, there's really no stopping Bitcoin at this point, at this price level. And that's what a lot of people are excited about. The potential of these price hikes is unbelievable, right? So that's a strong like the passion to make Bitcoin to go to 100K. That's a very strong factor, and I think a lot of people really want to see that. The chance to see Bitcoin at 100K is a strong chance, is a strong feeling. And the reason why I think crypto does have massive potential is because a lot of people are really staying it for the long game. So the people that are going to be buying the spot ETFs, they're going to be buying at a massive chunk of supply. And I'm not even talking about the institutions, which already probably bought all their supplies and all their Bitcoin, and all these 24 ETFs that are incoming. And all these people that trust like Vanguard, BlackRock, they're really close-minded. They don't trust buying on crypto exchanges. A lot of people I talk to, they hate buying on crypto exchanges. They don't trust them. They think they're a scam. But here, when they hear of a spot ETF, now that's a different story. That's where people are like, oh, spot ETF, oh, I love it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Guess I'll buy all of it. Guess I'll buy the whole supply. And this is where people are excited in a sense, like where crypto could be rising up to unprecedented levels, where crypto could be seeing those massive price hikes for that example. So there is a ton of potential in that aspect that crypto could be going up. Now, I don't know how strong it is. I don't know where it's going to change. I don't know what's going to change, but I do know one thing is for sure, and that the crypto is going to be seeing much more potential in January once the ETFs get listed, because if you have this huge influx of people coming in, SEC now held another meeting with BlackRock, and again, they're just discussing who's gonna we don't know what they're actually discussing, but I'm guessing they're discussing oh, how many people will hold this Bitcoin? Oh, how many Bitcoin are you holding right now? Do you have enough? What do you need to get it approved? And it's already obvious it's gonna get approved by all these ETFs. ETFs are the new main way to buy Bitcoin at this point, or are gonna be in 2024. And that's where people are really expecting a price hike. So let's take a look at this price prediction.
And showing everybody, hey, this Bitcoin ETF is about to be approved, and it could be approved any day now. I think that's what's really holding up the Bitcoin prices, the crypto prices, a lot of altcoins as well. And it would not surprise me if we continue pumping. It really would not. In order for us and for me to be confident that we are going to continue pumping, we need to break this resistance, which is 43,500. If we can break and hold above this level here, I think we could easily see $48,000 or potentially much higher. And there's
48,000, I'll take that, especially because the peaks are 60,000 K. If you have our 60K, if we can reach by 2025 100K, I think that's definitely a possibility, especially with inflation. Then it's gonna be easy from there. Once you have 100K, the market is still only at 3 trillion. So the crypto market is still fairly small. 3 trillion, but it's not actual money. It's like crypto money in a big sense. It's a lot of these coins, they're billion market cap. So the money in crypto is probably a few billion and not in trillions, just so you know. So if someone wanted to sell 22 billion of his crypto, they would probably crash market a fair chunk, but nobody's doing that. Nobody wants to sell right now because that would be the most dumb decision ever. And I think that's what keeps people updated, what keeps people excited to have actually that something to look forward to. And 48,000 is a pretty good indicator.
$300, all from trading on Woo's, a platform that I use. If you are in the US, you will not be able to use.
So here I see this indicator that there's a chance. I do think it quite depends on if the Bitcoin ETFs get delayed. This is going to be a very disappointing news for literally everyone in the crypto industry right now. Nobody is going to be happy in that sense. But if it does get through, imagine the possibilities of that. There is massive possibilities in that sense.
this to long and short cryptocurrencies, to buy and sell cryptocurrencies that are in massive profits. In the Patreon, if you guys want immediate access for that, I just put out a 20% move where we caught Shiba Inu, 20% move on Shiba Inu in just the last few days. Also, I really highly recommend that you guys check out Algo Sniper Trading Indicator. Look.
So yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated with more news, but does seem like buying this tons of Bitcoin supply, buying this large Bitcoin supply from people who don't even know about Bitcoin will have people struggling and fighting over the last Bitcoin. You know, like on Black Friday, where you see people fighting for that last TV, that's basically going to be Bitcoin at this point. And I'm definitely excited here to watch it. And the elections are coming up. Tons of people are probably going to be mentioning crypto. It's going to be crazy. Have a blast out there. It's probably a cold day for you. It's a cold day for a lot of people. It's winter. And that's okay too. If you guys want more content like this, you know what to do. Press that like button, stay in the loop. There's tons of awesome content on my channel, and I'm giving it out for free. I'm literally giving it out for the price of you watching my videos so I can afford myself food. Until next time, peace everyone.